we'd like to understand here is what does it mean to increase a quantity by 10%? Okay. And one way to do it is say, well, here's the original amount, and I'm going to add on 10% of that original amount to get the new amount. So here's 3,120 plus 10% of 3,120 is 3,432. That's what the new amount would be after 1 year. But another way to do it, if you look at this original expression right here, there's two terms separated by a plus sign, and each contain the value 3,120. So if I factor that out as a greatest common factor, there's the greatest common factor factored out right there. And if that means the first term to the left of the equal sign will be a 1. I'm sorry, to the left of the plus sign will be a 1. And the term to the right, since I factored out the 3,120, will be 0.10 or 0.1. And now this expression inside the brackets is really 1.1. And if I multiply 1.1 times 3,120, I get the same thing, 3,432. So a way to increase an original quantity by a given percentage is to multiply by this. If I had to increase by 25%, I would multiply by 1.25. In effect, this 1 is the original amount, and this is the 25% of that amount. Gives us the new amount, okay? There's a similar thing you can do when you have a percentage decrease, but that'll be addressed some other time. And so here is what's happening. Here's the original amount. If I multiply the original amount by 1.1, I get the amount that will be there after 1 year. Now, this amount for the next year increases by by 10%. And so if I increase this amount by multiplied by 1.1, there's the new amount. That's after 2 years. I didn't write that very well. Now, the next year, this new amount is going to be increased by 10%. So if I multiply by 1.1, I'll have the new amount after 3 years. And there's your answer right there. But what this is all leading up to is learning to develop exponential equations. The amount, depending on x, is 3,120 times, here's that increase multiplier, and there's the number of years. So when x is 0, 1.1 to the 0 is 1, I get the original amount. That's the original amount. Then after 1 year, I've multiplied by one factor of 1.1. After 2 years, I've multiplied by 2 factors of 1.1, and so on. So after 3 years, there's the new amount, $4,152.72, which matches what we did manually. Okay, and you can, all of this I did on Desmos. You can visit the Desmos graph, which I'll include the link in the answer to this question. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.